creative product to catch the human eyes every time. This time we bring the unique products, especially regarding its shape. Like this one, it's like a tree. We call it tree screen. It has three parts. One part here. It's root of the tree. That is made by the P4 outdoor flexible module. This module we used for the Christmas tree for the Hong Kong Ocean Park last year. The P3 flexible module is outdoor application, and the size is customized.
Yeah, I think the size of it is pretty special because
Yeah.
I've never seen this kind of shape before in this
Yeah.
exhibition room. Yeah.
Oh, this one is mini size. The
Yeah.
big size we show in the festival, National Day Festival event last year in Beijing.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, it's amazing. And the middle one is the third part here. You will see it clearly. What it looks like? Trumpet.
Yeah.
Trumpet. Yeah, it's trumpet.
Yeah.
It's made by the P4 flexible module. That is indoor application.
Whoa.
Yeah, till now you will find the main key, the key point of the tree screen,
Yeah.
flexible.
Whoa.
Yes, flexible. Remember it is flexible.
Yeah, you can change their shape anytime.
Yes,
yeah.
you can do any size and
yeah.
some special design.
It is very flexible. You can see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Remember, flexible is Meiyad product's advantage. It's range from the P1.5 to P10.
Yeah.
P2 and the P4 is very popular, but right now P1.5 and P1.8 is a superstar.
Yeah. So this kind of material, like this, so flexible, will it more expensive than the other traditional material?
It's different. It's different. It's widely application. It's usually used for the widely kinds of the shopping mall.
Yeah.
Such like the screen cover the clone, and sometimes it's like the ring hanging in the top of the store, and some special design for decoration.
Wow.
And sometimes it's used for the stage or the exhibition for some special shop.
Yeah.